The other day I watched Peter McKinnon's After Effects tutorial on how to make a looping background. And let me tell you, I was kind of let down, just a little bit. The background he showcased as his finished example was much better and more finished and just more complete than the one that he made in the tutorial. So to work smarter, not harder, I went in, made my own, and let me tell you, you don't have to sit through a 20-minute tutorial on how to make a looping background for Twitch or YouTube. All you need is After Effects. So first, as always, click the link down in the description to download it from Mediafire. Once downloaded, open up the project and you should be met with this screen. Now, just like last time, everything is set up for you and all you have to do is customize it, in which we will start talking about right now. So first, what you want to do is click on the Edit Picture tab. Right now we have text, and you can either have a text or a logo. It does not matter if you want a logo rather than text. All you have to do is click up here on Projects, click Import and File. Once your file's in, just drop it into the timeline and then shape it out. I would recommend making duplicates of the logo and placing it next to one another. If you don't want to do a logo and you just want text, you're in luck because that is what we have here. Right now I have two variations of my name because on this render me screen, this is what your final product is going to look like. And you see that there's just a different variety in the shapes, the sizes, and the color. I did this on purpose with the size change. This is completely customizable. So let's say I want to change the color. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to click red. Then what we have is, if we go back into the render me screen, this is what we get. This is your product right here, which is awesome. It's very simple and very easy to customize it to be your own. Another example is if you want to change the shape or just change how it looks in general, you have complete availability to do so. If you want to make sure that the resolution stays at the same scale, hold down Shift while dragging the corner. And then we go back into Render Me, and now the sizes are closer together. Now let's say you don't like this vignette, this black circle on the outside. All you have to do is go down here to Vignette and turn off the vignette in general. I like it. I feel that it makes it more cinematic. So I'm going to leave it on. Let's say you want it to be upright and not slanted as it is now. All you have to do is go down here to the rotation tab, click the -18, type in 0, click enter, and now we have an upright version of your looping background. Now that I'm looking at it, I don't like the warp and the no rotation. So let's say you're the same type of person. All you have to do is click up here in the effect controls. This may already be selected for you. You either have project or the effect controls up top. All you have to do is turn off the warp. Now we have a looping background completely straight up and yeah, customizable in any situation that you'll ever need. Rendering is quick and simple. All you have to do is make sure that you are under the Render Me tab at the bottom, go up to Composition, click Add to Render Queue. And then with the settings down here, exactly the same. We don't really need to change it. All you have to do is change the output folder that it goes to. And what if you're like Austin? I don't like the fact that I'm rendering as an AVI file. Now here's the requirement for that. All that you'll need in order to render it as an MP4 file is Media Encoder. Once you add it to the Media Encoder queue, all you have to do is press that green arrow up at the top because everything is already set for you. This is a much shorter one today. I was not expecting this one to be this short. If you have any questions, I will be answering them down in the comments below. I also stream Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays from 4 to 12. Wait, one more thing. Streaming non-copyright. This is my own gift to my viewers. This is a Spotify playlist assortment of NCS and Harris Heller, completely streamable music for your Twitch. Never have to worry about skipping a song and feeling like, hey, I'm gonna run out of music. There's 35 hours on this thing. Have you ever seen someone make a 35-hour stream? I haven't, and I don't want to. These songs are completely safe for you to be streaming and putting in your videos. Just know that some songs that aren't copyrighted right now could be copyrighted in the future, so I will definitely try to have it updated as much as possible. I will see you on stream. Have a good day.